What's up, guys? I'm back. I know it's been a while. Not a motorcycle video today, more like a garage upgrade, I guess. We're gonna add another fan. I had a standing fan, the stand's broken. Don't really want to throw it away. So, bright idea. I figured why not try to add it to the garage. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how I do it, how I work with tools, one hand, give you a little insight of that, and I guess a little bit of how my brain works. So stick around. Thanks for checking me out. Peace. So where I plan on mounting it is right down here next to my what's this thing called? Thread checker. And so we're gonna mount it here because once the fan's mounted, it's gonna sit a little higher, and that way when I'm using it, it kind of hits me right in the face here, working at the workbench. That's Blue, everybody, and she is chewing on something she's probably not supposed to. I would, as usual. All right. Earlier, I already kind of measured things out and got the length that I wanted. I'll go ahead on video, show you how I marked this line and was able to mark it going around, as you see, and show you how I accomplished that with one arm. So let me set up and I'll show you that real quick. So basically what I do is get my speed square. It's hard for me to hold it to be able to get my line, so I usually use the weight. Come on, Blue, you can't be in the spot. Come on, come here. Come on, come here. You gotta move. Come on. Come here, babies. Come on. Good girl. Come on. It's okay. Come on. You gotta move, babies. You gotta move. Come on. Come here. Good girl. All right. So yeah, I like to use the weight of whatever piece I'm working with, like so. And we're back to it. Okay. All right, yeah. Can you go lay down for me, please? Come on. You're gonna have to go in the house. All right, little helper. Excuse me. Hold on one second, guys. Come on, boy. Go. Inside. Okay. So, back what I was saying. I like to use the weight of the object on the speed square, so then I can use that to get right where I need it to be. Put the pin there, like so. Then I can just go right on up, like so. And then I can turn it. And actually, the last time I did this, I did the opposite way. I started on the shorter side and then worked my way around. But you get the gist of it. It works. And yeah, I always have one of these. So now we got our line cut. I'll show you, I showed you where I was gonna mount it. You'll see the length once it gets there. We're also got, they're called keyhole hangers. We're gonna end up mounting these on the end, and then we'll use these anchors in the wall for it to hook on, and that's how we'll be able to mount it to the wall. So let's go ahead and get this thing cut. I'll show you my bootleg ass miter saw and how I use that, and let's keep going. All right, now that we got this piece of wood cut, we're gonna have to throw it in the vise over here and drill a hole out to be able to put the post in for it to all work. So we're gonna work on that. Plus we gotta mount the keyhole full brackets here on the end. So we'll have to do that and drill out the space for that here. So we're gonna get working on that. I'm not happy with the way the circle is, so I'm just gonna measure it and then I'll center it and then drill out the middle. So that's what we're gonna do. Now I've got 2 fans, should be able to stay a little cooler, make more videos, all pluses and minuses. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for checking me out. More videos to come.